Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we're going to be unboxing the Por Larrañaga Leones. This is a regional edition of Spain, and these are numbered boxes. As you can see, they are from May 2023, and this is a numbered box out of 50,000. This is a release that came out to the market in September 2023 in Spain, and this is the biggest ever regional additional release that Habanos has ever made. Let's open up the box and have a look. And there you have them. This is my first time opening this box. When I bought it in Spain a couple of weeks back, I actually purchased a few of those. You can see the vlog on my channel. I'll leave the link to it up here. And as you can see, these cigars are 42 ring gauge by 155 centimeters long. I actually tried one of those I bought a couple of singles. I tried one of those and I felt that they were a bit young and needed a bit more, how do you call it, a bit more aging, a bit more relaxing time before we can actually be smoked again. Let's take one out and give you guys a visual. There you have the magnificent Por Larrañaga band and the regional additional band. Beautiful. I always personally found that regional additional cigars are usually a drop weaker than regular production per se, but that's just my personal opinion and my palate. Every person has a different way they react to regional cigars and in general different palates. I have purchased 4 of these boxes just because I know that first of all there's a lot of them, so I don't feel like I'm taking away from everyone. One of my subscribers said in the comments that they feel like they would never buy so many regional boxes because they feel like they're stealing from other people. I personally disagree. I think that specifically with release this big, there's so many of them and every person is entitled to buy however many as they want. So that's just my opinion. But yes, I bought 4 boxes and 5 singles. One which I've already smoked, so we're up to 4 now. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.